In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory, the Younger Dryas. From global fire to sudden freeze, what force flips a planet so fast?
Across cores worldwide, a thin black band of soot marks a sky on fire and a world in turmoil.
Aerosols and nitrogen ices seeded the upper atmosphere, dimming sunlight and shifting climate.
Meltwater pulses stalled. Within years, temperatures plunged. Regional climates inverted.
Mammoths and megafauna vanish abruptly in the record. Extinction with little warning.
A fragmented comet can ignite atmosphere first, then shade the sun with dust and soot.
Greenland cores hold that story. Soot and glassy traces, then an immediate crash to cold.
Nanodiamonds, microspherules, and impact proxies align with the onset of Younger Dryas.
Winds turn violent. Snow bands expand. Steppe grasslands transform into ice-rimed desert.
People remembered it as a long night and a bitter wind that would not stop.
Physics first, aerosol optical depth and albedo feedbacks amplify small changes to big ones.
Oceans flip modes, currents stall and reroute, pushing cold into new corridors.
In camps, the fires dim. Ash settles, then the snowfall thickens, and the horizon disappears.
Stratigraphy captures it cleanly, soot over fresh ice, a single, unmistakable line.
The why matters. Reading scars lets us wire risk into memory, not just myth.
Next, prophets of catastrophe. If ancestors warned us, can we learn to listen?